see how to solve this question. Okay, here, okay, this I can write 3 to the power 2n into 3, right? And this I can write 3 to the power 2n upon 3. Okay, then 3 to the power 2n I can take out right here. So this will be what? 3 to the power 2n into, okay, 3 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, whole upon 3 to the power 2n. So it will become 1, right? So 3 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, it is what? 11 upon 3. So this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, in this question AB parallel to CD, right? And PQ and QR intersects AB and CD both at EF and GH, right here, like this. Okay, now here this angle 80 degree, this is 120. So see here now, if this is 80 degree, right, so it will be 100 degree. Okay, so this angle will also be 100 degree. Okay, this angle, this one, okay, corresponding angle, because this is 100, so also 100 right here. So this angle is 100 degree. Okay, so it is what? 120. So it will be what? 60. Okay, this one 60, right? It is 100. Okay, so see here now, it is triangle right here now. So it is 60, it is 100. So sum of this angle and this angle is what? 160 degree, right? 160 degree, sum of this and this. So definitely this will be what? 20 degree. Okay, so 20 is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is the sum of the zeros of the polynomial this right here. So see here now, this, okay, I can write like this, right? I'll factorize this, I'll get this right here. So see here now, zeros are minus 4, 4 and 5, right? If you add them, right, so see here now, they'll get cancelled, so sum will be 5. Okay, so 5 is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here the question is what? If this equal to 3, then the value of this is what? Right here. So now see here, this is equal to 3 right here. So okay, squaring both the side, so I will get what? This square equal to 9, right? Square of this equal to square of this right here. So this equal to what? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, so it will be 2, right, equal to 9. So from here I have got this, okay, x square plus 1 by x square, that is 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, again squaring here. Okay, so I'll get what? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equal to 49, right? So from here x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 49 minus 2, 47. So this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here the question is what? In this figure, AB parallel to, okay, this AB is parallel to FT is parallel to CQ, right? Then the value of x, y, z, okay, R. Okay, you want to find value of x, y and z. So see here now, this equal to this here, right? It is given here. Okay, this equal to this. That means if this is 20, so this is also 20, right? So now in this triangle, okay, sum of this angle and this angle is 40. So definitely it will be what? 140 degree. Okay, or you can say this y will be sum of this and this right here. Okay, so y equal to 20 plus 20, 40 degree. Now y 40, this 50, right? So see here now, in this triangle, okay, it is 40, it is 50, 90. So definitely this angle will be 90 degree. Or if this is 90 degree, so x also 90 degree. Okay, so x 90, right? So so far x 90, y 40. Okay, now see here, this angle 90 degree, right? It is symbol of 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 20 degree, right? Now this and this are parallel, so definitely this angle will be equal to this angle, right? So it is 90, it is 20. So 90 plus 20, 110. So z will be what? 110 degree. Okay, so x 90, y 40. Okay, this one is the correct answer. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Okay, I can solve these two equations. Okay, then I can find xy. Otherwise, see here now directly I can check from the option. So see here now I have checked this. Okay, this value of x and y, okay, are not satisfying these two equations. Okay, so now see here I will try for this, right? So I am putting x equal to 2 here and y equal to -3 here. Okay, so like here, okay, 3 into 2. Okay, in place of y I'm putting -3 right here. 3 upon 2 minus 3, so 2 plus 3, right? So I have simplified this. I got 19 by 15. Okay, so this value of x and y, okay, are satisfying this equation. Also now I'll check for this equation. Okay, so x I'm putting 2, y I'm putting -3, so I'm getting what? 31 by 15. Okay, so x equal to 2 and y equal to -3. Okay, these value of x and y are satisfying both the equation. That means this is the correct, okay, answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here the question is what if the graph of the polynomial this is completely below the x-axis. Okay, first of all it is what, see here now, this I'm writing, okay, like this. So see here now, here coefficient of x square is what, negative, right? That means the graph will be what, downward parabola. Okay, and here the graph of this is completely below x-axis, right? That means this will not intersect x-axis. That means zeros are non-real, right? That means d is negative. D means what? B square minus 4ac. So it is a here. Okay, a is -1, b is -2, c is k, right here. So b square minus 4ac. This will be negative here, right? So b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 2 square minus 4 into -1 into k, right? So plus 4k it will be right here. So this should be negative, right? So that means 4k should be less than, okay, -4. That means k should be less than -1. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here the question is what if the polynomial this is divided by x minus 1, then the remainder is, okay, for finding remainder in place of, okay, x I'll put 1 right here. So now see here 1 to the power 100 plus 1 to the power 99, okay, like this. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 like that. Okay, here, okay, up till here, right? So if you put x equal to 1 here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, like this till here, right? So this sum will be what, 91. Okay, 91. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 91 time, right? So 91 and plus 2. Okay, so 91 plus 2, 93. So this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is, in the given figure, find the value of x if AB equal to AC. Okay, AB equal to AC, angle BAC, okay, 80 degree, and BM and CM are the angle bisectors of ABC and ACB. Okay, ABC and ACB. Okay, angle bisector. That means this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, right here. So now see here, it is 80 degree. This equal to this. That means this and these are equal. So it is 80. So definitely it will be 50 degree. Also 50. Okay, so it is 50. Also 50. So that means it will be 25. Okay, this is small angle, right? Inside angle 25. So this is 20. Okay, that like MBC and angle MCB. Okay, this MBC, it will be 25 degree. Okay, because this is 50 degree. Okay, so half, right here it is 25 degree. Also 25 degree. Okay, so now in this triangle, see here, it is 25, also 25, 50. So definitely it will be what, 130 degree. Okay, yeah, see how to solve this question. Here the question is, if this equal to 1, then x is what, right? So see here now, here this should be 0, right? Then only it will be 1. Okay, so this I'll put equal to 0. So from here I'll find x. So x equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here the question is in the figure. Okay, AB parallel to CD. Okay, this one parallel to this one right here. Okay, then the value of x is what? Now see here I am drawing one line. Okay, here parallel to AB and CD right here like this. Okay, now see here, if this is 120, right? So definitely this will be 60 degree. Okay, because sum of this and this will be 180 degree. So similarly here it is 108, so it will be 72 right here. So it is 60, it is 72, so that means this angle will be what? 60 plus 72, right? 132 degree. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Okay, here I'll find value of this right here. So now this I can write 1 by 2 to the power 8, right? Because 256 is what? 2 to the power 8. It is 1 by 2 to the power 8. Okay, and whole to the power what? 1 by 8, right? So here 1 by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 1 by 8, right? So it will be what? 1 by 2 to the power 8 into 1 by 8. So it will be what? 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 upon 2. Okay, this one. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is x minus 4 is a factor of this, then the value of a is what? Okay, so in place of x, okay, I'll put 4 and this I'll equate to 0, right? Because it is factor, so remainder should be 0 right here. So I'll get what? 64a. Okay, because here 4 into 4 into 4, right? 4 cube into a, 64a plus 16 plus 2 into 4, 8, and plus a equal to 0. So see here 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay, and 64a plus 8, 65a. So 65a equal to minus 24. So a equal to minus 24 upon 65, right? This one is the correct answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is in the figure PS equal to QR and this angle equal to this angle right here. If QS equal to 8 meter, then PR equal to what, right? So now see here I have drawn these two triangle here. Okay, one triangle this one and one triangle, okay, this one, PQ this. So now see here it is given PS equal to QR right here, and see here side PQ is common here, right? And this angle also given equal, right? This angle, right? This angle. So these two triangle are congruent, right? So definitely this will be equal to this, right? So that means this QS is equal to PR. So QS is 8 meter, so PR is also will be equal to 8 meter, right? So PR will also be equal to 8 meter. So this is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, see, and now this, okay, I can write, okay, like this. Okay, 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 4. So here x equal to what? 5 and y equal to what? 4, right here. So in place of x I will write 5, in place of y I will write 4. So now see it is what? 9 upon 20. Okay, and 40 into 9 upon 20. So 20 into 2, 40, right? So 2 into 9, 18. So 18 is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, in this question you want to find number of zeros, okay, in this number, right? So see here now this I can write, okay, like this, and this I can write like this, right? So here this I can write 2 to the power this, okay, 2 to the power, okay, 8. I can write 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6, and it is what? 10 to the power 8, right? And this I can write 5 to the power 6 into 10,000 to the power 6 means 10 to the power 24. Okay, 4 into 6, right here, 4 0 here, right? So 10 to the power 24. Okay, so this I can write like this. So now see here 8 zeros I will get from here, 24 0 I'll get from here. So 24 plus 8, 32 so far. So now see here, 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Okay, I'll get 60 from here because I can write 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Okay, like that. 2 into 5 whole to the power 6. Right here, so 10 to the power 6. So 60 I'll get from here. So 24 plus 8, 32 plus 6, 38. So 38 is the answer. Okay, see here how to solve this question. And the question is what? Angle A equal to angle C here. Okay, in the figure. Okay, AB equal to BC. Okay, then which of the following is incorrect? Okay, so these two triangles. Okay, I have drawn here one triangle, this one, and one triangle, this one. Okay, now see here, this equal to this given. Okay, angle B common here, and A equal to C given, right here. That means see here now, angle side angle, right? So these two triangles are congruent. Okay, this one and this one, right? So definitely this, okay, D angle equal to this E angle right here. Okay, so this one AEO, right? AEO. Okay, because if this angle equal to, okay, this angle, so definitely AEO equal to CTO, right? Okay, so this is correct. Okay, similarly here OEB equal to OEB. Okay, this already proved here, right? Okay, and this OEB equal to, because this right CEB, right? CEB equal to ADB, right? So here OEB equal to ODB, also correct. So correct. Okay, here already I have proved here triangles are congruent. So this option is not correct. Okay, so because ABD is congruent to CBE, but here it's given what? ABD is congruent to BEC. Okay, so which is incorrect? So this one is incorrect. Okay, yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is what? Point of intersection of this one and this line is what, right? So see here now, either I can solve these two equations and I can find value of x and y, but what I'm doing, I will check from the options, right? So in place of x I am putting 1. Okay, so I'll get 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 2, so 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so in place of x again I am putting 1 and y, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 here. Okay, so I'll get 1 by 4 here, and see here now 2 minus 1 by 5 here, so 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 20. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Okay, and these values of x and y, okay, are satisfying both the equations. That means this point is lying on this line as well as on this line, right? So this is the answer. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Okay, the question is what? In the figures, the measure of this angle is what? So now see here, it is 6 centimeter, also 6 centimeter. It is 5, also 5, angle 60 degree, angle 60 degree. That means these two triangles are congruent, right? So that means this angle equal to this angle, right? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, right? So this angle equal to this angle, 3x equal to this. So from here I can find x equal to 20 degree. So I want to find this angle right here, this angle. So x I can put 20. So 2 into 20 40 plus 20 60. So 60 is the answer. Okay, 60 degree. Yeah, see how to solve this question. And the question is, the point is nearest to which of the following line, right? X equal to 2, x equal to 6, this and this, right? So I will draw, okay, all these lines. Suppose, okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is y equal to 2. Okay, this is y equal to 5, x equal to 2, x equal to 6. So now see here, 0.46, right here, 4, 6. It is 1 unit, okay, above y equal to 5. Okay, and 2 unit before x equal to 6. Okay, so now see here, from this line it is far right here, also from this line it is far right. So it is nearest to this line, y equal to 5. Okay, so y equal to 5 is the answer. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here this equal to this, right? That means what? This equal to a and this equal to 4, right? So this equal to a, So I'll find a from here. So 2a minus a equal to minus 4. So a equal to minus 4. So this equal to 4. So I'll put a minus 4 here. So minus 12 minus b equal to so minus 12 minus b equal to 4 right here. So that I can say minus 12 minus 4 equal to b. So b I am getting minus 16. Show here a minus b, right? So minus 4 minus minus 16. So that means minus 4 plus 16 equal to 12. So 12 is the answer. Okay. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, here in the question is what? In the given figure, this equal to this. Okay, AD equal to, okay, DC equal to DB. Okay, all three equal, and BD perpendicular to AC. Okay, angle 90 degree. Then the measure of ABC. Okay, this angle. So now say here this equal to this, right? It is 90. So definitely this angle and this angle will be equal because this equal to this, right? So it is 90. Okay, so definitely this will be 45, also 45, right? So this is 45. Similarly, it is 90. So this equal to this. So definitely it is 45, also 45, right? So this is 45 degree, also 45 degree. So this angle will be what? 90 degree. Okay. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Here, and the question is what? If this point and this point are lying on the line this one, then the value of a plus b is what? So first of all, see here now this point is here, right? So in place of x, I'll put 0. In place of y, I'll put 4 right here. This point is lying on the line. That means this point will satisfy this equation. Okay, so from here, okay, I'll get value of b. Okay, in x I am putting 0. So 0 by 2a, it will be 0 right here. So b I have got. Now this point also lying here. Okay, so in place of x I'll put 6 and y I'll put 2. Okay, so I'll get this right here. And here b already I know. Okay, so b I'll put here. So I'll find a. Okay, I'll solve this. I'll find a. So 3 upon a plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. So 3 upon a equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 6. So a plus b, right? 6 plus 4 by 3. That is 22 upon 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. In this question we want to find area of this triangle. Okay, see here now I have marked all these points here, right? Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So 2 comma 6 right here, it is here 2 6. Similarly 2 minus 1, okay, 2 minus 1 and 6 minus 1. So now see here, this length is 6 unit, this length is 1 unit right here, because 2 minus 1 right here. So it is 1 unit, it is 6 units. So total this length will be what? 7 units right here. Now see here, this is 6, this is 2. So this length will be what? 4 unit. So it is 7, it is 4. Okay, so area of triangle will be what? 1 by 2 into PQ into QR right here. So PQ is 7 here, QR is 4 here. 1 by 2 into 7 into 4. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 right here, 14. So 14 units. Okay, 14 square units will be the area. Yeah, see how to solve this question. Okay, and the question is what? In the given figure, ABCD and BPQ are straight line. Okay, ABCD and right BPQ straight lines. If BP equal to BC, okay, BP equal to BC, that means this angle equal to this angle, right? It is 4x. Okay, this angle is what? Sum of this and this, right? This you know. This angle equal to this plus this, right? So that means this equal to this plus this, and these two are equal, right? So that means it is 2x, also 2x, right? And this angle given x right here. Okay, this angle 48, right? So we want to find this angle BDQ. Okay, this one. So now see here, this angle equal to this plus this, right? This angle equal to this plus this. So 2x equal to x plus 48. So x I have got. So x is 48, right? So this will be what? 96. So this will also be 96, right? Because this and this are parallel. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. So it is 96. So also 96. Okay. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is the straight line this meets y-axis at P, then the distance of P from this point. Okay, y-axis at P. So see here now, this line will meet y-axis at 0, 2, right? Here I'll put x0 here, so I'll get y equal to 2, right? 0, 2. So distance between this point and this point, right? So this distance. See here now, so this is right angle triangle. Okay, so in this triangle we know that PQ square equal to OQ square plus PY square, right? So it is 7, it is 2. So 7 square plus 2 square, right here. So 49 plus 4. So PQ square equal to 53. So PQ equal to square root 53. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Okay, the question is what? The coordinates of a point 4 unit below, okay, the line this one are this, right? Then the value of k is what? So it is y equal to 2. Okay, 4 unit below here, right? Minus 4k here. Okay, it is 2, right? Yeah, so up till here it is 2. So 2 more, right? Okay, so 2 more will be what? K equal to minus 2, right? Because it is up till here 2. So 2 more because you want 4 units below. Okay, so k equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the answer. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. Okay, the question is the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from this point to this line. Okay, so suppose it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay, this is x equal to 2 from this point. Okay, 5, but I'm dropping perpendicular right here. So see here now, it will be put right here. So coordinate will be what? 2, 8. Okay, because this length is 8 right here, and this is 2. So 2, 8. Okay. Yeah, see how to solve this question. The question is if px is a polynomial of degree 3, if 2 zeros of px are non-real, then how many times the graph of px crosses x-axis? 2 zeros non-real, that means 1 0 real right here. So 1 0 real means it will cross x-axis one time. Okay. Yeah, see here how to solve this question. The question is if this equal to this, then the value of this is what, right? So see here, this I can write 0.15 into 1 whole square. This I can write 0.15 into 2, okay, whole square, like that, plus 0.15 into 3 whole square, like that, up till 0.15 into 15, okay, whole square. So now see here, 0.15 square, 0.15 square, 0.15 square, right? I can take out. So it will be then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 15 square, right? And this thing given here. Okay, so it is what? 0.15 into 0.15 into 1240, that is 27.9. Okay, so this is the answer.